Another important question with respect to AI: who is accountable for the decisions? Logically, you are. You are using the tool. Or maybe the person who has made the tool, depending on what kind of arrangement and agreement you had with them. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on privacy and AI, and we are going to talk about accountability with respect to AI decisions in this today's video. AI supports your decisions, but who remains accountable? You. Who is using the AI? Because you can use their recommendations, you can look at what decisions they've done. You need to do your due diligence. You need to thoroughly understand the reason, the logic behind the decision taken. Governance defines responsibility. Trust is built if you are able to demonstrate your accountability and your ownership. Trust is not built because you are saying I'm trustworthy. And accountability starts at the leadership level. So the one who decided that this tool is to be used is the first thing. And the one who quietly accepts the decision without doing any due diligence is even a bigger criminal in that sense. Accountability is shared. Right? Who allowed as a business leader to use a particular AI tool? What were the technology teams doing? Did they evaluate it thoroughly? Did they train it well? Is it documented? What is the expected outcome? What is the quality of data to be fed in? Have it gone through the privacy program? Privacy professionals have validated it. What about the legal teams, compliance teams? What about the executives themselves? Everyone is responsible. You can't just say someone bought a tool, got my work done in half an hour, a bit of breach here and there. No, no, a bit, no here and there. Has to be smooth. Ownership must be absolutely clear. Any ambiguity that gets created is the one that creates risks. You should define responsibilities, document the ownership, review these things very regularly, escalate them appropriately, and communicate the decisions, the actions appropriately and clearly to your teams. Accountability needs evidence. You have to do it, you have to create it. Decisions should be traceable. You should have records of why you have taken a decision. You should maintain audit trails of the decisions being taken, the documentation, approvals done, and review the entire setup as good as you do with any other IT function. Quarterly, half yearly, depending on the kind of usage. And if your usage is very high, maybe monthly. But yes, the individual decision needs to be reviewed on per decision basis. You should not close your eyes on AI decisions. I've given so many examples in my videos. Two banks you are talking to. One gets up and says, my AI tool says your civil is not good enough. So your loan is rejected. Second one comes up and says, my analysis tool says civil could be doubtful because of these two reasons. This one says, I worked on the data provided to me. This one says the data provided to me is 10 days old. Have you resolved these two things in these 10 days? I said, yes, I have. They approved it. Simple. Who lost the customer? You know better, right? You know better, and you also know, or I also know, that if I go back to this bank again, there's no one who is deciding there. Some AI tool will decide. So I don't even know whom to present my case to because I don't know who is deciding it, who is even presenting it. Governance builds confidence. That's what leadership needs to bring in. Clear oversight, independent reviews, responsible deployment, continuous monitoring, and very, very extremely ethical leadership. Some of the things that are very critically required when it comes to accountability with respect to artificial intelligence. Design the accountability early. That is something that you do for every activity. People think AI is automatic. It is. That's why you need too much of accountability over there, right? Because it is automatically taking decisions on your behalf. Assign the owners of each activity, define their roles, create the real parameters through committees as to what parameters would be there to take a particular decision. If AI is taken it, review it. Right? There has to be a step for improvement in this bank. that they would ignore because that it does not matter for a small loan customer. But if that keeps accumulating and you keep rejecting, say, 20 such cases a month, over a period of year, you might lose reasonable amount of business. Review the decisions and keep improving your tools regularly. Key takeaways: responsibility, accountability, ownership is not replaced, even if your physical processors are replaced by artificial AI based processors. AI supports people, governance defines the ownership, accountability creates trust, leadership brings in the resilience, and responsible AI can be responsible only when there are responsible human beings helping it by reviewing its decisions. Else, you would first lose customers and business, and then you will lose the AI also, because then you will start hating the AI. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my channel, and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.